For you people that know who I am, you might wonder why I'm sitting on my floor in front of the refrigerator. A couple weeks ago, my propane gas detector started yelling at us, and the light was flashing red, so we thought there was a propane leak in our camper. We stopped to look at it and found out that propane detectors only last about 5 years and they have to be replaced. So right here is my propane detector right below my refrigerator. We ordered one, and now I'm going to try to replace it. The first thing that we need to do whenever we work on electricity is get the power shut off. The easiest way to shut the power off is to pull the fuse for this particular issue. Right down here I have a 5 amp fuse that says LP Gas Detector. I'm going to pull that fuse, verify that the light is out on my detector to ensure that there's no power to it, and I should be able to pull it safely. Okay, there's only 2 screws holding the detector into the wall here. Pull these 2 screws and it should come right out. There's only 2 wires attaching this propane detector to the system. I'm going to cut the leads short here so that I have plenty of room and wire tie the new one in place. Okay, cut the red lead, and when I put the new one in, I'll just go red to red and black to black, making sure that it's wired correctly. We purchased a new one. It comes in a package similar to this, depending a little bit on the manufacturer's name.
That's exactly like the one that we just took out, though.
Yeah, this is exactly like the one we just took out. I'm going to put the date that I installed on this one.
Today's June 15th. '21. Alrighty. That way when you forget when you did it in 2 years, you can just pull it out. See, you still got a few years.
Yeah. We read online that you're supposed to replace them 5 years from the manufacture date. On the paperwork that comes with this, it says 5 years from the installation and purchase date. So there's a slight difference there. Okay, I'm going to use regular wire and twist wire nuts to install this one. These should work fine.
Pretty simple install.
Manufacturer says that you need to use 14 gauge wire to attach these two. So if you are doing a new installation, or if you have to replace the wires, you have to make sure that it's at least 14 gauge wire.
There you go.
Now this is a simple installation, so I'm going to continue to put it together before I test it, but it might be a good idea for you to check it before you put it back in. Okay, I had to take the screws out of the old one to install the new one because it did not come with any hardware. Again, there's only 2 screws holding it in. Put them in really quick, and then we'll be ready to turn the power back on and test it. Okay, now I'm going to put the fuse back in, and that should give power to the new propane detector and should be working fine.
Oh, I see a light blinking. That's it. What an easy
And that's
install.
it. I think the manufacturer, in the paperwork, I think it says it takes about 3 minutes for it to completely come on. So it's going to be blinking for a little bit, and then we'll make sure that it's working.
Alrighty, it has been a couple minutes and the light is no longer flashing, it's just green. So we are good to go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody. She thought she might just want to inspect that just a little bit. Make sure the wires are good. What do you think? Are the wires good? Huh? Think they'll work?